This power surge is so wonderful. It does not matter where you're using it. It's completely waterproof. Even a dog could drool on it, and it's completely fine.
Hi you all. So my boyfriend is a DJ, which means he's constantly hooking up equipment, not only for his job, but at our house. And so I finally had to find a power strip that really worked for our needs. And this is it. We have fallen in love with this. It is an electric shockproof power strip surge protector. It is a US standard plug, and it is also patented by USTPO. So this means that any kind of foreign object, such as a fork, tweezers, keys, child's fingers, all of that, it cannot get powered through an electric shock through this power strip at all. It is that safe. It really is designed so well and so protected. It has a 9-point safety protection system. So really amazing the way that it can combine the surge protection and an overload with it being fire resistant. It will automatically cut off the power to ensure the safety of all of your devices that are plugged into this, so it does not get overwhelmed. No issues. It has a built-in circuit breaker, so it can truly do everything that you need to do. It will prevent being overheated because of a fire. The power strip is certified ETL UL safety certified, so it really can do everything that you need it to. It is waterproof, okay? It literally cannot have an issue even with water on it. So even in the case of a flood, rain, water spill, whatever it is, it will not have an issue even with water too. This thing is awesome. It's got an extension cord on it. It goes and extends beyond your needs. It really has everything that you need. It's got multiple outlets for you to plug into, as well as other additional outputs with the USB. It really is perfect for a home, a dorm room, an office. I mean, whatever your needs are, this is going to be a perfect fit for you to plug in all of your devices and feel very safe. It really is great. It's flat. It's not going to take up much room. You can put this behind or under furniture. It really is great the way that it can fit into places, and just overall the feeling that this is going to keep you safe is why this product is fantastic.